Smile my brachial plexus, C5 wait until T1, anterior ray my. Through C5 to C7, the lung thoracic nerve, the roots its home. C5, C6 superior trunk, C8, T1 inferior trunk, C7 middle trunk, it's lonely maybe. Divisions anterior, posterior, posterior lateral medial cord, derived from the divisions. 5 branches, posterior cord lays. The lateral cord branches 3, the medial cord 5 branches. A brachial plexus supplies my upper limb. The thoracic nerve supplies my serratus. Dorsoscapular C5 innervates the rhomboids, nerve to subclavius. Median, axillary, ulnar and radial nerve, musculocutaneous. C5, C6 superior trunk, C8, T1 inferior trunk, C7 middle trunk, it's lonely maybe. Divisions anterior, posterior, anterior lateral medial cord, from the divisions. 5 branches, posterior cord lays. The lateral cord branches 3, the medial cord 5 branches. A brachial plexus supplies my upper limb. Long thoracic nerve supplies my serratus.